Hi everyone, welcome to Stay Info. Today we are going to learn about tables in ServiceNow. Okay. Last class I have explained regarding how to create an incident, problem, and change request. And in this class I am going to explain regarding the tables, how tables will be worked, and how we can create the tables, and all those things I will be explaining in this today classes. In today class, I will explain regarding how the table, different types of tables we have, and what is the difference between each and every table. In this video, I will explain about the differences between the tables. Okay. In next video, I will explain regarding how to create tables in ServiceNow platform. Okay. If you are coming to my channel first time, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. And let me go to the topic. Okay. See, in ServiceNow, the main topic is tables. Okay. In tables, we have different tables. In table, we can create like we have seen that incident table, problem table, change management table, and all those things will be coming under the tables. Tables are nothing but a module. Okay, it's nothing but a module. Module means whatever we need, we will create a table. In table, we can create like fields. Fields means variables. We have we name it as fields. Okay. We will create fields, how to create fields, and all those things I will be explaining in the next class. Okay, in today class we will check what are different types of tables we have. What is the difference between each and every table? I will explain to the class. Okay. Okay. Now we will go to see here. In tables are stored in rows and columns. Okay. The tables format is there, right? The tables format will be stored in rows and columns. Okay. See, we have four different types of tables. There are four types of tables. We have four types of tables. Okay. First one is base table. It is a top level table. Okay. Which has the means what this it's a default table for ServiceNow platform. It's nothing but task table. Task table is nothing but in tables we have task table. It's a default table where in this table we have it's a parent table. It's a system DB table. It means that it is the main table of the ServiceNow platform. Okay, and CMDB table. These two are the main things in ServiceNow. So these two are known as base table. Base table is top level table. Okay, these are the top in the all tables. These two are the top level tables in ServiceNow platform. Okay, task table and CMDB table. I will show these two fields while doing the while creation of tables. I will show you this task table and CMDB table. Okay. See, uh, see it here, the task table is most common in ITSM. In ITSM models, we are creating that like instant problem change, and we are doing some a lot of things we will do like creation of catalog items, and we are doing to do a lot of things in coming classes. It's the base table is nothing but a task table. Okay. See, it contains common fields. Other tables can extend from it. Store generate data structure means this task table stores some data where the data will be as it contains some fields like it will store a lot of fields like in incident we have see state impact urgency and all those things we have right. Suppose from this task table we can in this task table we have impact urgency and medium, let me say. Okay, these three we can say these three can be extend from task table to incident table, problem table, and change table. And suppose we have created some other tables also, everything from task table we can extend all those fields. Okay, so that is that here since it contains common fields. Okay, then coming to yeah, sure. Examples like yeah, start description. All state is nothing but life cycle. Okay, number assigned to and all those things is common, right? Assigned to will be common for everything, right? It is also be extend assigned to assignment to group and all those things we can extend from task table. Okay. Now we have see parent table. Parent table is nothing but it's a super class of other tables, and means it that parent table is the top of the tables, which act as a top of the table. From in this top of the table, it may have some basic tables. Okay, let me say see here we have example, right? Example is task table. Task table is the top of the table, where in for this task table we have we are extending the fields, right? So we all those fields it's we are extending the fields from task table, right? So task table is the parent table for the incident problem change. Okay, it's clear, right? Task table will be the parent, and this incident problem change will be the child tables. Okay, see here, child tables inherit fields from the parent. Means the whatever the fields which are present in the task table, we can inherit from task table to the incident table, problem table, I mean change table, whatever the tables we can extend those fields, okay, or we can inherit, okay. See, we have incident extend task. Everything will be extended. Okay, I will explain how we should inherit the tables. Inheriting the fields from parent to child tables, and all those things will be explained. Okay, I will explain you. Okay. Now we are here. We have see child tables. Child table is nothing but extended tables, are known as child tables. See, a child table is created by extending the other tables. Okay, child table means if we are calling a child table, if we are mentioning any table as a child table, it should be extended from the any other of the table. At that time only we can say that it has an child table. Or else, if we did not extend anything from this, then it will known as parent table. Okay, be clear in that. Okay, say incident problem changes are extended tables because all the fields are inherited from the task table. Some of the fields, right, some fields, right, above you have mentioned, right. See here, we have extended number, description, state, assigned to number, and all those things we have, right. All those things are extended from the task table. So this incident problem and change request are known as child tables. Okay, see, inherit all parent fields, or we can inherit the parent fields. Okay, can add its own custom to fields. Okay, here also by default we can add some by creating new fields also we can add some new fields also. Okay, I will show you how we should add new fields to the tables and all those things I will explain. Okay, see, used in real-time ATSM process. Okay. Next example, inherit table inherit. What suppose if we take an example at instant table, it will inherit the number, auto number, state, assigned to from the task table. Okay, these all those fields will be extended. Okay, now we see, right, a custom table. In custom table means the table which developers will be created by their based upon the business works. Means suppose for TCS company, their client is some other company. Okay, let me say client means from Europe. Some client asked to TCS company that we need a table which should have some detail some fields like whatever the fields like assigned to short description and those, and some other regarding suppose if I say like suppose we have take a example like onboarding. Okay, employee onboarding, right. If you take employee onboarding, we need to create a new table. We will create a new table like we will add a employee onboarding number. We will add employee onboarding number, employee details, employee address, and whatever the studies he has completed, graduation details, and some other fields. All those things will be based upon ourselves, based upon the client, based upon the client only. The developers will create based the requirement which is given by the client. Based upon that only, we can create a custom table. Okay, it is very important. I will explain you how we should create a custom table also. I will explain. Okay. Custom table is, I think it's clear, right? Custom table is nothing but the tables which we are creating, which developers are creating. We are means we are the developers. If we are the developers, whoever creating the tables, they are known as the developers. If they have the ability, means they have the permissions, like developer permissions. So they are known as developers. Okay. So whoever creating the table by developers, those tables are known as custom tables. Okay. It's clear, right? For every custom table we have u underscore. Okay, u, this is known as dash, right? This dash is known as underscore. Okay, it's common for every table. See here we have, see, u underscore employee details, U underscore means first only we have U underscore means it's a custom table. U underscore asset request. For creating asset request, it's a custom table which we have created, right? So we have asset U underscore asset underscore request. In this way we have, okay. I will show you also this backend name also. These are known as backend names, okay. Backend names of a table, okay. In frontend, it will be like employee details only. In backend, it will be default like you underscore employee underscore details. Okay. I will show you this backend details also in the later classes. Okay. See, what are the key points? It's created by developers, can extend any other tables. If you want to extend any tables, we can extend like task tables, CMDB tables, and whatever the tables we need, we can extend those tables. Okay. Used for custom applications. Okay. Used custom application. Custom application based upon the client requirement, we will modify the uh, fields, and we will create the custom table. Okay. These are the four main types of tables in ServiceNow platform: a base table, parent table, child table, and custom table. Okay, I think everyone was clear, right? If you have any doubts, you can pin on the comments. Okay, I will explain. I will make another video so that you can easily learn. Okay, if you have any doubts based upon your doubts, I will upload another video. Okay. These are the four main types of tables. Okay, I think everyone was clear, right? In the next video, I will explain in a real time. In real time, you will see how clear it is, how tables will be created, and you will be understand very clearly while creating the new tables, and while creating a custom table, and while inheriting the fields. All those things will be explained in the next class, next video. In those next video, you will see a clear understanding about this tables. Okay. Okay, everyone. I think everyone was clear, right? If you have any doubts, you can pin on the comments. Okay. I will explain you, and I will make a new video for this also. Okay. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.